Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm so excited. Today I'm going to be planting some cauliflower seeds and taking you guys with me. I'm here for you new gardeners who are just starting out and you want to learn how to grow your seeds, grow your plants, your food from seed. I got you. We've done 2 videos already. We've done broccoli, we've done cauliflower. Hope you guys have been keeping up. Today we're working on, I said cauliflower, I'm sorry, we did broccoli, we did collards, and today we're gonna be working on some cauliflower. Y'all, I said it in the last video, I just can't believe how growing food to me is like magic. You take a seed, you put it in some dirt. I mean, there's a little more science to it. We'll get into that later. But for now, you take some seed, you put it in your seed starting mix, water it, and you wait for it to grow, guys. You wait for it to grow. It's that easy. Let's not make this stressful start. Let's just go ahead and get in there and get it done, okay? All right, so come along with me. Let's get these cauliflower seeds. All right, guys, so we are here back at the table and about to get started. Alright guys, so we are here back at the table, ready to get started with our cauliflower. And we're going to start by filling our grow tray up with our seed starting mix, and I have that done already. And once again, for the new gardeners that have never planted any seeds before, I definitely recommend that you guys go ahead and purchase your seed starting mix. You can get your seed starting mix from Home Depot, you can get it from Lowe's, or you can order it from Amazon. So many places you can get it from. I'll do a video on how to make seed starting mix soon, but we're just gonna jump right in using some already prepared seed starting mix. And the first thing that I'm gonna do, I hope you guys can see, I'm gonna go ahead and water down the seed starting mix and prepare it to be able to receive the seeds that we're gonna be planting today. You know, guys, to me, planting food is much like magic. You just take this little teeny seed, put it in some soil, and bam, you got food. Nobody ever has to go hungry. This is just so exciting. I can never just, it just never ceases to amaze me how easy, how the provisions of the Most High, how easy it is that He made it for us. But we are just, like I was saying, guys, I get so excited about the provisions that the Most High made for us, and I can't help but take advantage of them. So, okay guys, so when you purchase your trays, your seed starting trays, I definitely recommend that you purchase some that are reusable. The one that I have today isn't reusable, but I recommend it because you're going to be using these over and over again. Some of your trays are going to come with maybe 72 cells per tray. These are this is exactly 50, y'all. Sorry, my math ain't that good, so I had to count more than once. More than twice. Okay, all right, let's get back to the video. All right, so some seeds come with, you know, different amounts of cells depending on what you want to grow. You might just want to grow 25 things. You might want to grow 50. You might want to grow 72. I have another tray back behind me, and this one actually has 72. And they'll be a little smaller. So, you know, if you want to grow something like tomatoes or squash, then you want your cells to be a lot bigger. Then maybe starting some collards or something like that, okay? So next I'm gonna go in with my nice little chopstick, and I'm gonna make my indentions inside each cell. Today we're planting some candied charm cauliflower, and what we like about cauliflower, as we are venturing into more of a vegan lifestyle, we love to use these for our kind of like your, say, buffalo wings, and they are really good and tasty. Okay? That is what those seeds look like. And I'm gonna do 2 seeds per cell. And once again, the reason I do that is because maybe one seed won't come up, but then another one will. Okay, so you always wanna err on the side of caution. I love to be ahead of things. Not like being behind. We have such a big family, so staying ahead of the game is important. We always want to make sure everybody can eat. Always want to also be able to make sure we can bless others as well. The sun gives us only so much amount of heat during the season. We're heading into the season where the sun is not going to be giving us as much heat as it did in the summer. So that is why we are planting our brassicas, because they're more leafy vegetables than something that has to grow fruit, which takes a lot of heat in order to make that fruit pop up. But I'm so grateful of any season that we're in. I take advantage of the season we're in, whether the Most High is providing us apples, watermelons, pumpkins, or collard greens, cabbage, broccoli, curly kale, whatever it be. I'm grateful for it. And this is an art. This is an art. It is so much to learn here. The more you plant, the more you learn, because then you start learning how to preserve your harvest by way of canning and dehydrating. We just got a dehydrator recently, which was really exciting. Really, really exciting, because you don't want anything to go to waste. I'll show you guys some of the things I have behind me, some of these big things that we've grown this past summer, so you can understand why we need to preserve them. Y'all are not gonna believe the size of some of these things. Look at this. This is a Mexican squash, y'all, that we grew this summer. So once you start growing your food, the next thing to do is gonna be to preserve. That way it can last you kind of through those winter months, guys. Okay, so that's a summer squash. I'm sorry, Mexican squash. Y'all, this one behind me is, look at that. This is a candy roaster. And I got this from Baker Creek, guys. Definitely gonna be collecting these seeds, and we'll have some available for purchase in the spring. But y'all see how big this thing is? And it's heavy. I've never tasted this before, but I'm gonna try to make some pies with it. These are really beautiful, beautiful. That's it. Here's another sample of another type of squash that we've grown, and y'all, the Most High is just so amazing. No one ever has to go hungry, guys. Another one. I kind of just want to showing you guys some of our harvest. We're just getting better as time goes. Before I pick up with the rest of the video, Sean, can you give me those 2 pumpkins? And we have more than. Listen, these. Can y'all actually see? This is going across my chest. Look how long that is. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. This was the first year we got these sugar pie pumpkins. And I'm so grateful, y'all. I can't even. The last few years, we didn't even get pumpkins, but we got them this year, y'all. We got them this year. I'm so excited. And we have many more zucchini, onions. You guys saw the harvest that, let me turn the camera around. You guys saw the harvest that I did the last video. It's still sitting here. We're so grateful. But like I was saying, once you start growing food, you're gonna wanna be able to preserve, okay? Preserve it in a natural, healthy way. And I'll show you guys some of the ways that I preserve and have preserved in the past in future videos. But we're gonna get back to our video. And once you have gotten your seed in this little bed, your mix, either you can take some of your mix or, you know, and I think I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna lightly cover it up because I don't wanna have to go through the watering again. So I'm gonna, cover those seeds up lightly. You wanna give them, you don't want to smother them or pat them in too hard where they can't come up through the soil. So what are you guys growing? Maybe leave us a comment. Let us know what you guys are growing for this fall. And also let us know what you're preserving. Those of you guys that are already preserving. Okay, guys. Even though I did that, I think I'm just gonna lightly go over. Oh my God, there's a bee in here. Look at that, y'all. It's a bee in the house. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to get that out of here. Did y'all just have to see me run? Yes, I ran. Guys, while I'm calling the boys to handle this situation, I'm gonna just cover them because I saw a few of the seeds are kind of on the side and I want to make sure they're covered up. So this would be the other way to cover up your seeds. I've also seen people do perlite. There's a bee. I am recording, but there's a bee right behind me. A bee. Alright, guys. How did that bee get hit? Oh, never mind. We're always opening that back door. The bee. He's right on one of the trays with seedlings. Alright, so I'm gonna lightly water over the top of what I just put in. Okay, and then if I didn't mention, when you water in the beginning, you're just gonna water it until there is, this tray has a, it has a seed, it has a water drip thing tray under it. So you're gonna water that enough to where it just drains all the way through, okay? Sorry if y'all can't see it. You're gonna water that until that drains all the way through, and that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up. Okay, and put this in a dark place. All right, we're gonna leave this in a dark place until they begin to sprout and come up above the soil. Wait, what happened to the bee? Where, oh, is that it? I think that's it. Y'all, I'm just gonna trap it for a minute. I promise y'all I didn't kill it, and it probably will still be able to get out. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's it, guys, as far as the, it's in the, y'all, I promise y'all I didn't kill the bee. It's in the blind. All right, so yeah, we're gonna cover this up, and once the seeds come above the soil, then we're gonna go ahead and remove the top, and we're gonna place them up under, you guys just saw my light station a minute ago. We're gonna place them in our grow light area, okay? And about 2 inches up under that light, because you don't want the plant, you don't want the seeds to grow and get leggy. So you want to put them as close to the light as you possibly can. Right now, if you're gonna grow them inside, I would recommend you go ahead and go maybe over to Home Depot or something, or Amazon, wherever you like to shop at, and get your grow lights set up. I'll do a video about grow lights as well, but for now, you can go ahead and get your seeds started. It'll be, it depends on what you're growing. It'll be some days or so, maybe a week or so before you see the seed germinate, okay? But this is how we're doing it. I'm gonna put this in a dark place, put the top back on. Out here, that bee. Sounds like a helicopter. All right, so these are gonna go in a dark place. And thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. All right, guys, there is one step that we didn't do, and that is going to be, you never want to forget to label your trays, especially when you're planting so many different things. Oh my gosh, is that bee again? No, please don't sting me in my butt. Okay. All right, like that's going to help. Okay. All right, guys, so you're going to label your tray. That way you don't forget what it is that you planted. So today we did some candied charm cauliflower. So keep a Sharpie handy. Keep the Sharpie handy, and there we go. Now we can put this in our tray and we won't forget what it is that we found. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hey, so what you up to, Malaya?
Just waiting for my auto bottle to give me the right controls so I can be able to play with Taking Turns playing.
Oh, you playing a game?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I'm playing the game in the living room.
Alright, cool. Guys, this weather, is it just us up here in the high desert? Wow, so windy out there. What's the tree doing? The tree is not moving that much, but y'all, I can feel this breeze. Feels pretty good. Too good.